Is
Were
your
you-
history in a story?
What was that?
I did hear something.
That was not me. It sounded like someone breathing in.
Oh, is it this?
No?
No, I was going to say I have got the VAPE. Who was that, Spirit?
Was it Alison who hurt you?
I heard a breath behind me. And a whistle.
In the mic.
Whistle.
Was it?
Holy. Did you whistle as well? I heard two whistles.
Was it Alice who hurt you? Hi, Ella.
That was the bang on the back. It's all kicking off. What time we on? Because it's 11. Yeah, it gets worse as the night goes on in here.